The first state to issue a stay-at-home order is now seeing skyrocketing coronavirus cases this morning. California reporting more than 7,000 new confirmed cases in one day. Governor Gavin Newsom asking residents to be cautious, as they were at the start of the pandemic.
We cannot continue to do what we have done over the last number of weeks. Many of us, understandably, developed a little cabin fever. Others have just, frankly, taken down their guard.
California is one of the nation's 3 most populous states, experiencing record highs in new coronavirus cases. And Newsom says its hospitals are ready for an influx of patients if needed.
California did to lead on a statewide stay-at-home, saved lives and bought us time to build out our infrastructure, and we have done just that. That's why today we're at roughly 8% capacity in our hospitals.
In Florida, Governor Ron DeSantis once again said no to issuing a statewide mandatory mask order, despite the state health department recommending them.
Ultimately, we've got to trust people to make good decisions.
This, as one updated model suggests that universal mask wearing could help save more than 33,000 lives by October 1st.
If we can get people to wear masks, we can not only save lives, but I sort of think of it as we can also save the economy, because we can keep business going if we can convince people that this is the best strategy.
In Arizona, only 12% of intensive care unit beds for adults are available. That's according to the state's public health agency. And in Texas, more than 4,300 people are hospitalized with the disease. One health expert warns Houston could end up the hardest hit city in the country, and other big Texas cities like Dallas and Austin could be deeply impacted too.
So our big metro areas seem to be rising very quickly, and some of the models are, on the verge of being apocalyptic.
The New York tri-state area is now seeing downward trends of new infections, and state leaders hope it stays that way as phased reopening continues.
And we've beaten this virus down to a pulp in New Jersey with an enormous loss of life. We've been through hell, and we don't want to go through hell again.
To help, New York, New Jersey, and Connecticut announced a travel advisory requiring a 14-day quarantine for people arriving from 8 states with high levels of coronavirus.
A lot of people come to New York and the tri-state area from other places. We just want to make sure we don't import the virus, because we learned that lesson, been there, done that.